Yo, what's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be starting a series making a hide and seek game on Roblox. And what I'd like to accomplish today, I have a goal to make a prototype tagging system as well as a stat system so I can add wins, I can add coins, for example, I can add stuff like that. So let's get right into this. So what we'll be doing, what I'll be starting with, I would like to make the tagging system. My idea is that, so for example, the player right here, say this is it, and this part, it could be like a little sphere. How do you make it a sphere? Yeah, for this thing, be like 7 studs wide. Let's put it in there. So this would be like the tagging radius, because I feel like if you just have it at the player, like just doing like this, you have to run into them. That's kind of, because the other hide and seek games on Roblox, like I would play them, you would just be running away, you'd get juked out. That'd make you rage quit. I didn't want to play. I kept getting juked out. I'd be mad. So I feel like maybe this could be like 9. That's pretty much the same thing. We'll work on that. To begin, I think this will probably just be in the main script, so I'll just put it, for now I'll just name it main. So to start, I'll begin by getting a player, which I'll just define as me for now. So local player, name that player, local child, tropical masterpiece. Is it case sensitive? I think so, whatever. And local character, so player dot character, or player dot character added equals wake. And go ahead and put a ball part, character, and ball dot. Let's put it to the root part. First, let's set the root. I believe if we would do a weld. Let's say we want to make a weld. Weld constraint. Weld dot part 0 equals the root force, and then weld dot part 1 equals ball. We gotta parent this so it doesn't. I never liked how Roblox made it where it disappears, but I guess it makes sense. Parent it to ball. No root. And then just because it's in the root, egg. Oh, I guess, I don't know. And all dot size equals vector 3 dot new. What do we put? 999. All dot transparency. We're gonna set this to 0.9 just so we can see it. Let's put 0.8. Next, let's see if it's touched, then function. It will check if I have a humanoid, of course, and then for now we can freeze this person. I already put this root. We can call this a root tag. And then that's already the character. There dot humanoid root part. And next we need to, so we have the player touched and we know where the root part is. We would, let's say if we're freezing them, let's say freezing the player. I don't think this is gonna stay, but it could be cool to have a little freeze tag concept, like a game mode. Root tag dot anchor, to anchor it so we can't move, and then local Let's say we want to put a little cube around them. That's not really. We're gonna put a part in there. Frame, put it the same as the root tag. This will be just like the ball, except I gotta do this weld again. Root tag freeze weld. This will be on the freeze. This can be like 0.6. Freeze that transparency, and then we're gonna set it to blue for color. I can put it blue. Set the size just to a little block, because I have a quick idea for this. Let's go back up here. Between service. So down here, we want to make a new tween info. 0.5 9 and roll that size. So let's test this out real quick. So if we take this, make a new little person here. So if this is in the root part right here, then it's 1 1 1. What would it have to be? If it's facing the same direction, where's the root? No root part. It's facing, I'd assume, this way. And then the part not facing this way. There we go. So assuming that this is facing this way, to make it a little sheet of ice, go like that. Kind of fat. It's 3.5. It's bright blue. Bright blue. Actually looks nice. Do that. Turn off the smooth. A little bit skinnier. Before. Yeah, that looks pretty good. You have it expand out. What's the size here? So we put this, I could put this up to 6. Let's say, I'm not sure if this is going to change anything, but I'm just going to put it to the root C frame anyway, just to make sure it doesn't move. And then go clean. Service. Create. Let's get this part freeze. Between info. Go. Okay, that should work out. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I don't think this went according to plan. Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Unable to assign property C frame. Oh, no, C frame. Okay. That really wasn't it really was unable to assign this property C frame. So what else went wrong is that this should not collide. It also should be a ball. Is it part shape? Part type? Oh. There you go. Okay, that works. This doesn't. Okay. Oh, I see the problem. That's so dumb. I never parented it. I literally was just talking about how I don't like how it's how it has to be parented. And let's put that to the character instead. I love how I'm calling it player when it's really the character. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah. So something is not right here. What happens here? So at first it puts it. Oh. Local car tag. replace all this. Down there, there. That should fix it. Let's see. Okay, it's still small. Why does it anchor it to the ball? I called two roots, didn't I? Tag. And we gotta do first, let's do a debounce. Yeah. D is false. D is true. Between they call it completed equals wait. D is true. False. And then bar tag first child. Where am I? Find first child. Gotta name this. I'm forgetting so much. Equals nil. Now let's try. There you go. Maybe a little bit bigger. Actually looks really nice. And then you can't do it again. I would assume that you can't move. So let's go back. 462, 4.5, 6.5, 2.5. Yep, that's perfect. I'm gonna go here, and freezes. So one final change I'm gonna make to this. We'll go. Well, we can do it at the end. I'll just put print. What's the name? Char tag. My name has been tagged. So now we can start on the leader stats. So right under main, we can call it leader stats. And local players. Name out players out local player. No, that's not what that is. Get service players. Data store. Get service. Game. Get service. Data store service. Okay, now let's get the data store. Get service equals get data store. Hide and seek ENP. And players. Player added connect function player. The leader stats. Oh, thank you, AI. And then local. So we need coins. Let's put wins first. What's that new int value? What the heck? Int value? That's not what I wanted. And then local. Not local. Wins that name. It's wins. This lowercase. And leader stat. Local coins equals. We can just copy this. Coins.name equals coins. Local success error equals recall function. What the heck? Recall function. Local data. Data store. Let's get async. User ID. Take this. Local data. And if success and data. And dot value equals data. Coins dot value. Data too. So this is how I've always done it. I've seen videos they do it differently. If anybody has suggestions, please let me know, because I'm still pretty basic. I'm not gonna lie. And then else dot value for 0. Wins dot value 50. And when they leave the game, let's put this. Leaving the game. Give the player's stat. No, it could be. Give me player's stat. Load data. Check for data. That function play. We can use this. That should. So it takes it, sets the value async. First one, two. Yep. Data save. Or name. Or name. There we go. Now we go to security, turn this on, save, and let's test it out. So we get 50. Go to the server, give myself resets. 9,000 coins. 50 wins. That changed. Let's go tag everyone. That part still gets launched. Stop. Yep, we're going here. 50 wins, 9,000 coins. Alright, so one final test. Let's count this up. I think for this part that's been annoying me so much. Alright, so another test we could do main. Instead of this, we could do, let's just do a little test. I know this isn't, alright. Get children, 1. So the first person that joins is gonna get all this. That'll be it. So now we can go to test, we can go to start. So we see right here, player 1 is it. Goes here, he tags player 2. Go to player 2 here. Player 2 cannot move. He's frozen. He sees it. He can move his camera. Player 1 right here. He goes here. Bob, it, Riggs, Steve, Robert. Yep. Everything's working just fine. We see here. Player 2, Bob, it, Riggs, Steve, Robert. So today, we achieved our goal of making a tagging system. We got our money, our wins, our coins. They save. We got our ball. We got our freezing. Got that nice little animation. Actually looks really cool. Well, I'll see y'all in the next video.